Hello, this is an older video of mine I couldn't post at the time, but these are two Copepodite eggs. I believe they're both from calanoids, and what you can see there is a bunch of bacteria that was trying to attack these eggs and extract what's inside of them. So this was almost a bacterial infection of these eggs, which I haven't seen a bacterial infection under a microscope before, and I don't look at eggs that often under a microscope either. But this is a interesting occurrence since it's in salt water to have this high of a congregation of bacteria. Now we're switching to bright field for the bacteria part. For some reason it's my camera exposure. I'm having to adjust it. Okay, now you can see it under bright field. And I need to adjust some things still. Now you can see it far better under bright field than you could. And I adjusted the color temperature a little bit, and we're ready to take a closer look at this bacteria once I switch the objective, which I'm probably not going to do for a while. I probably should have cut this part out, but you can see it pretty well now. And now I have everything adjusted. Here, now you can see all of the bacteria attacking the shell. Well, it's more of a casing on Copepodite eggs than a shell like on other eggs of reptiliads or any other things that have shelled eggs. And here you can really see that bacteria. It's very congregated. It's a very large buildup. See the insides of it there. It's almost like a stream of bacteria, which is pretty common. So I'm guessing this whole stream met up with it and is now attempting to attack it. And here there's a small formation of it. You can see it moving and pelting the sides of the egg, trying to break through the casing. And here's what's inside the eggs that they're looking for. And look at that buildup on the other egg. I think they've already broken up the shell. This was almost a puffier one, so I think they've already broken away that casing on this egg. And this is the end of the video, so I will now say goodbye to anyone watching. Goodbye.